It's David against Goliath. And they'll do it again. Winnie. Ulit pa.
That's a moral victory para kay Winnie Arboleda.
Hindi na kayo nadala. And Ginebra gets the ball. And Pagiwa misses. May tumulak dito kay Eric Meng.
Things starting to fall apart para sa Air 21. Barangay Ginebra suddenly building a 5-point lead and a chance na palakihin pa yan.
Tinawagan ng pang-apat na personal foul si Ranadel de Ocampo. Both teams are now in the penalty.
And a lot of players playing under borrowed time. Ranadel has 4. Stephen Thomas has 4. Chris Alexander also has 4.
Arboleda will sit down in favor of Arwin Santos. Seems like Eric Meng is the man of the moment here in the third quarter. Wala, nagbintis yung kanyang pangalawang free throw. 6-point lead para sa Ginebra. 69-63. Under 4 minutes to go in a pulsating third quarter. Millones for 3. Magkakataon para madagdagan itong lamang ng Ginebra. Here's Meng. Meng twirls. And the ball ends up with De Ocampo. Here's Millones. Millones will slow things down.
But a good job of Barangay Ginebra realizing where the weakness is. Ranadel has 4 personal fouls. Best thing to do, attack him right now.